ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट। बेटा ये एक सैम्पल पेपर है आपका, राइट? ओके, 1A एक्चुअली sample paper. You can download this. So let me tell you how to solve the questions, right? Okay, a school network has several computers. Each computer in the network has a media access address. Hexadecimal is used for MAC addresses. Part of the MAC address is given below. ओके, ठीक हो गया है। 97, it says hexadecimal is used in for MAC addresses, part of the MAC address, right? So it means it's a part of the MAC address. Clear? Each pair of the digit is stored as a binary in 8-bit register. Okay, complete the binary register for these two pairs of digits, right? First you need to remember that this is a hexa number, right? It's not 97, rather it's 97, right? 7 1 1 1 0 and 9. How do we write 9 in binary? 1 2 4 8. Okay, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4 8. ठीक है बेटा? Because we are converting this number into binary, so we'll make a group of 4 bits. So 7 is divided into this chunk, and the next one is divided into 4 bits, which is 9. 5. C. What is the value of C? C. A is 10, B is 11, and C is 12. 12 mean 1 2 4 8. So this one is equal to C, and 5 1 2 4. That's it. So this is equal to 5. Beta, 60%, most, like 60% of the students, they do not understand the question. For example, बेटा ये मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया, दिस क्वेश्चन 60% बच्चे जो हैं वो इसको दे कंसिडर दिस एज 97, नॉट 97. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन बेटा. Describe what is meant by MAC address. MAC address, it's a permanent address assigned by the manufacturers, assigned by the manufacturers, right? It's a unique address. Every device has a address, unique static address. Static mean which cannot be changed, right? Okay, it's a 48-bit address. 48 bits or 6-byte address used to identify the device on network. MAC address has two parts. The first part that consists of manufacturer ID and last 3 bytes represents serial number of device. Serial number of device. Manufacturer ID. For example, you have this MAC address E2-C3-17-F D C3A2. Beta, lost 3 bytes. This is first bytes. First 3 bytes it represent manufacturer ID, and this represent serial number of the device. Right? It cannot be duplicated. That is static address. You cannot change it. It's the size of the MAC address is 48 bits, and so on. Clear, beta? Give two other uses of hexadecimal in computer sciences. You can use we use hexadecimal in error codes. We use hexadecimal in HTML language color codes, right? We use in URL mean web addresses. We use hexadecimal in MAC addresses. We use hexadecimal in memory locations, and we use hexadecimal in assembly language or IP version 6. ठीक हो गया बेटा? Okay, another value is stored as binary in a register. So let's see what is that binary value. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, it says a logical left mean the value will be multiplied shift of two places mean 2 की power n. 2 की power n mean 2 की power 2. Why 2? Because it says two places to the left is performed on the binary value. Complete the binary register to show its contents after the logical left shift. Beta, you need to find out the value of the binary number. For example, 64 plus 16, it's 80. 64 plus 16 plus 2. So the value is 82. ठीक हो गया बेटा? So 82 multiply by 2 की power 2, that is 4. 4 twos are 8 and 4 eights are 32. 328. So how do we write 328? Let's see. 1. Complete the binary register to show its contents after this logical left shift. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Okay, so 256. 256 प्लस बेटा अब आपने ऐड करनी है वैल्यूज विच मेक्स 328 में से 256 माइनस करें आप तो 8772. 64 प्लस ये भी ज़ीरो हो जाएगा ज़ीरो. 64 प्लस 6 70 72. ओके, so this complete value that is equal to, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन, राइट? ये यहाँ से शुरू होती है, राइट? इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एयर और यहाँ तक, राइट? सो द वैल्यू इज 328. But we have 8-bit register. 8-bit mean we have 8 bits. So this ninth bit, which is 256, this bit will be lost because we have 8-bit register and the answer is can be fit into 9 bits. लेकिन हमारे पास 8 बिट्स हैं, सो दिस बिट विल बी ओवरफ्लोड. ये ओवरफ्लो एरर आ जाएगा हमारे पास, राइट? ओवरफ्लो एरर. और नाउ द वैल्यू विल बी इनकरेक्ट. इनएक्यूरेट कह सकते हैं आप. कैसे? लेट्स फॉरगेट दिस नाइन्थ बिट बिकॉज ये तो आपकी होगी है लॉस्ट. 64 प्लस 8 दैट इज इक्वल टू 72, जो कि गलत वैल्यू है। ठीक है। सो स्टेट वन इफेक्ट दिस लॉजिकल शिफ्ट हैज ऑन द बाइनरी वैल्यू। आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे दैट विल जनरेट एन ओवरफ्लो एरर, ओवरफ्लो एरर और inaccurate inaccurate value। क्लियर बेटा? Okay. Negative Denry numbers can also be represented as binary using 2's complement. Complete the binary register for the Denry value minus 54. You must show all your working. Beta, first you need to write down the 2's complement format. One, let me change the pen, please. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, minus 128। ओके बेटा, एक काम करते हैं, -128 में से आप 54 पहले सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं। 8 में से 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, विल हैव 4, और 12 में से 5 माइनस करें, देन वी हैव 7, -74 actually. So if I write here 1, beta, this is sign bit. Sign bit means कि this number -54, it is representing negative number, right? Negative. And the value of this extreme left bit, which is 8-bit register, -128, right? Beta, if I write 74 here, so I'll get -54. Again, I'm telling you. If I write 74 in this register, तो मेरे पास 54 हो जाएगा, आ जाएगा कैसे? Let's see. 74, this is already 74, 64 plus 8, 64 plus 6, ये आपके पास हो जाएगा 64 plus 8, 72, 72 plus 2, 74. So let me write down the value now. 1 double 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0। लेट्स सी अब ये क्या हमारे पास आंसर आता है। दिस इज -128 प्लस, what is this value? It's 64. This is 32. This is 16. This is 8. 8. This is 4 and this is 2. -128 plus 64 plus 8, 72. 72 plus 2, that is 74। बेटा, आप -128 में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं 74, 4, और ये आपके पास आ गया, सो -54। सो दिस वैल्यू, ये वाली जो वैल्यू है माइनस बाइनरी वैल्यू, दिस इज इक्वल टू -54। इज दैट क्लियर बेटा? So you can download past papers for practice purposes. By the way, बेटा, आपके बुक में जो एक्टिविटीज़ है, दैट्स enough for you, especially for IG1 boys. Uh, there there are a lot of questions about the binary additions, denary to binary, hexa to denary and all that, right? So आप वहाँ से भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। ये मैंने आपको जस्ट इन रियल सिनेरियो में आपके पास पेपर में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो ऐसे आते हैं, राइट? ठीक है बेटा, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट। और दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे इस टॉपिक के लिए। थैंक यू। ओके, बाय।